Did you native speakers use these phrasal verbs every day, but most learners never learn them? Stick around, and I will teach you 10 secret phrasal verbs.
Hey, if you want to learn practical English for daily life, subscribe now. We post every Tuesday and Friday to help you speak confidently. Tap that button. It's free.
Briefly explain what phrasal verbs are. Verb plus preposition or adverb with new meaning. These aren't in your textbook, but they will make you sound fluent. Let's learn 10 lesser-known phrasal verbs. Chill out. Its meaning relax. For example, hey, chill out. It's just a game. Zone out. It means stop paying attention. For example, I zoned out during the meeting. Number 3, blurt out. It means say suddenly without thinking. For example, she blurts out the secret. Hang out or spend time together. For instance, let's hang out this weekend. Freak out. Panic or get very excited. I freaked out when I saw the spider. Brush up. Improve skill. I need to brush up on my Spanish. Bounce ideas off. It means someone discuss ideas. Let's bounce some ideas off each other. Cheer on. It means encourage. We cheer her on during the race. Number 9, drum up. It means create interest. We need to drum up more business. Fess up. It means confess. Come on, fess up. Who ate the cake?
If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time in English with Sam.